Produce a beginner to intermediate tutorial on creating clean, professional product cutouts with transparent backgrounds for e-commerce platforms. Teach multiple selection methods including magic wand, select and mask workspace, and pen tool precision selection. Demonstrate handling difficult edges like hair, fur, and fine details with refined edge options. Cover proper channel-based selection techniques and edge cleanup. Teach how to handle shadows and reflections and deciding whether to preserve or remove them. Include optimization tips for web use and various file formats, PNG, PSD, WebP. This tutorial targets e-commerce businesses, product photographers, and digital marketers needing polished product images for online stores.